everybody, I am Philip Frederick John and today I am going to explain about verbs. Before I go there, I hope you like the first video which I told you about sentences, just going a little forward to make something a little more clear and easier. Now coming to verbs and tenses, today I am going to teach you about verbs and tenses and why I would not teach them as two separate or three or four or five separate chapters. I would put all together as one. Almost English books have verbs as a separate chapter. They have present tense as a separate chapter, past tense as a separate chapter, and future tense as a separate chapter. I will put all together, making sure that the children understand that when I am using verbs, I am also using my tenses. I am making it very clear and very simple so that children do not confuse themselves. When we break it up, when we go into masters and other things, then it goes more into detail, then it's fine. But when they are at a smaller age, put it very plain and simple to them. So what is a verb? Is the question. It says something about a person or a thing. Make it very short and sweet. Verbs assert something about a person or a thing. A verb shows what a person or thing is doing, being, or possessing. So, doing. If you look at my example, I've got three examples, 1, 2 and 3. I play games. So the word play is a verb here and it's doing something. I'm doing something. So my play becomes a doing word. And then if you look at number 2, it says my mother is sweet. So is the verb here which is being. Okay, it's being, so she is sweet. And then my father has a car, the third example. The verb has is something that someone possesses. So if I say the car has 4 wheels, that means the car possesses 4 wheels. The car has 4 wheels. If I say my father was angry with me, so it is showing that somebody is being angry with someone. So that verb was is being something. Now before I come this side and show you why it's common, I would like to show you that verbs come in various forms. These verbs, they come in various forms. Look at example number 1. I play games. Now look at this. Play comes in the present tense. Played in the past tense. Will play in the future tense. So it's just the same thing, the same word coming to a different place and it's just broken up and showing you something else. So that is very, very confusing for children at times. Why should we learn this as a separate subject, this as a separate subject and this? So they do get confused. So I would like to make it very plain and simple. Now most of the verbs are doing words. Most of the verbs are doing words where people do something. Look at possession. People possess many things. You see, I have a car, I have a dog, I have a bike, I have a house, I have blankets, I have clothes, I have everything. You possess it, but then very rare we get people saying I have. Okay, you get people doing more things. Okay, people doing more things. So most of the verbs come in the doing words. Now if I go to talk about the tenses here, you see the same tense, put play will come here as played, played and will play. Okay, so this is the same thing as verbs coming in the way of tenses. Now if you look at the bottom here, I've got put and put. Similarly, cut and cut. Now over here, these are also verbs. Both action words. I put something on the table, I cut the vegetables. So both are action words and all these words remain the same according to the tenses. In the present tense it will remain the same, in the past tense it will remain the same, and in the future tense it will also remain the same. It doesn't change. But if you talk about other tenses, for example, I am writing one here, play, played in the past tense. Now played becomes a regular verb, R-E-G-U-L-A-R, a regular verb. Why? It's regular because we add ed. Wherever the word is substituted with ed or ed is added to it, it becomes a regular verb. When we add ed, then the verb is regular. Alright, when we add ed, the verb is regular. Now look at the next one. If I write eat and write ate, and this will be will eat. Alright. Alright, so eat has changed to ate. The word has totally changed. I did not add ed, the word has totally changed. So in this place, this will become an irregular. Irregular verb. Why? Because the word totally changes. So over here only, if I will study verbs, I get irregular verb, regular and irregular verbs right from here. And if the teachers explain this way, I will find it much more easier. So the teachers club two chapters together and they move one step ahead. So that is how, if you understand verbs and tenses, you will come to know it much more easily. So verbs are doing words, action ones, and the same words you put into these ones, and you will get say, I will eat my food, I ate my food, I will eat my food, and I ate my food. You see how the same tense is here. And if I put the verb this side and say, what is the verb? You say, I will eat my food, I ate my food. Where is the action verb? Will eat and eat, ate. So these are the same, this is the same words used in different places, just coming up with different names at different times. Thank you. My dear friends, if you like this channel, if you like the way I've explained things and put it simple, I would like you to press the like button and please subscribe to the channel.